Alright, this video is going to be a review on equivalent fractions. A lot of you have mastered this topic, but we are going to go through some test-taking strategies so that you maximize your score. Alright, so let's take a look at our first problem. Which of the following fractions is equivalent, that means equal in size, to 2 over 6? So the options are 1 over 3, 1 over 4, and 4 over 8. So right now I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 fractions. So what I'm going to do now, and you should be doing on your paper, is I'm going to draw 4 fraction bars. Go ahead and draw 4 fraction bars. Okay. Make them equal in size. And then on the top I have 2 6. That's the big fraction I'm comparing in. That's the one in the problem. And then I have 1/3. I have 1/4. And I have 4 over 8. I would like you to pause this video now and solve using the fraction bars you have on your paper and figure out which of the following fractions is indeed equivalent to 2 over 6. Meet you on the other side. Alright, we're back. Let's see if your fraction bars match mine. So let's take a look at 2 over 6. How do we do sixths? Good. You split it down the middle and split each half into thirds. Alright, and then now we shade 2 of those pieces. For thirds, your third should be the same size as your 6. Check your work. Make sure that your line right here is copied right down. And we have 1 over 3 shaded. For fourths, make sure you're copying this halfway mark down here, and you're splitting each piece in half. And you shaded in 1 of the 4 of those pieces. And for eighths, 4 over 8, I'm going to copy the fourths, copy, and I'm going to split each fourth in half again to make eighths. And I'm shading 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's pretty clear right now that 2 over 6 is the same size as 1 over 3. So our best answer would have been A. Check your work and make sure that your fraction bars were just as equal as mine. Alright, which of the following fractions is equivalent to 1/2? You know what to do. You absolutely do know what to do. So you have 4 fractions. Draw your big fraction bar. You need 4 of them. 2 over 6, 6 over 6, and 3 over 6. This is the main one we're comparing against. Pause the video. Go ahead and solve. Meet you on the other side. Alright, my friends, we are back. Let's take a look at the first fraction, 1 over 2. That one's very easy. You just split it in half and shade in half. For sixths, 2 over 6. How do we do sixths again? Nice. You split it in half. Copy that halfway mark. Boom, boom, boom. And split each half into split each half into thirds. Now we have sixths again. Amazing. Just copy those lines all the way down. Copy, copy, copy. So let me shade in 2 out of 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6. Oh my goodness! It was like this was meant to happen. The sixths better have been the same line, copied all the way down. And let's take a look. 3 out of 6. 1, 2, 3. So it's pretty clear now from our fraction bar that 1 over 2 right here is equivalent to 3 out of 6 right here. So the best answer was C. Really, really nice job. Let me give you some applause. Alright, that's enough. Alright, let's take a look at another problem. So this problem reads, which list shows only equivalent fractions? So of A or B, which of those shows only equivalent fractions? All 3 of them are equivalent to each other. So let's take a look. The best way and the easiest way to do this is to draw a fraction bar for both A and a fraction bar for B. It takes a lot of work, but there is a reason why our class made 90% on our last CA. Alright? So for A, the fractions are 1/4. You are doing this along with me on a piece of paper, so pause the video if you need to. 2/8 and 1/2. And in fraction bar B, we should have 1/2, 3/6, and 2/4. So go ahead and pause this video and solve each fraction bar. It may take you some time, but let's see on the other side if you were correct. Alright, we're back. So let me do A maybe in green. Alright, so our first fraction is 1/4. Fourths are easy. You split it in half, and then you split each half into half. Boom, boom. Next fraction, I have eighths. Well, all I need to do is copy my fourths, copy, copy, and split each bar, each fourth, in half. Boom. Shade, shade. So it's starting to look pretty equivalent, but we can't decide anything until we look at the half. So let's split it in half, boom, and shade in one out of those two pieces. Well, it doesn't look like A is pretty equivalent. I could select B, but I just want to make sure. So let's start with our first fraction, 1/2. Split it in half, shade in one out of those two pieces. Six are easy as well. Copy that halfway mark, copied, and split each half into thirds. Boom. And I'm shading in 1, 2, 3. That was sixth. Now for fourths. Copy that halfway mark and split each half into half again and shade in 2 out of those 4 pieces. So it's pretty clear now that 1/2 is equivalent to 3/6, which is equivalent to 2/4. So the best answer I would select is B. Check your work. Make sure you were correct. Alright, let's keep moving on. There's that problem again. Which of the following list shows only equivalent fractions? Is it A or is it B? Go ahead, as I set up my work, set up your work on your paper. I have my fraction bar. I have 3 equal fraction bars. I have my other fraction bar. And my other 3 equal fraction bars. Okay, and I'm writing 2/4, so I don't forget. 3/6, 4/8. You're doing this with me. Pause the video if you need to. If I'm going too fast, 1/4, 2/8, and 4/8. Okay. Once you're done, go ahead and pause this video and solve the problem. Which one of the following lists shows only equivalent fractions? Good luck. Alright, let's start at A, 2/4. Our fraction is 2/4. Let me do A in red. Okay, split it in half, split each half in half. Boom, boom. 3/6. Copy that halfway mark. Split each half into thirds. 1, 2, 3. For 4/8, copy that half. Copy that fourth. Copy that fourth. And split each piece in half. Boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. It's looking the same size. It is shocking. It's probably A, but let me go to B. I know I wouldn't be as silly as to select an answer without looking at all the answer choices. 1/4. Boom, boom, boom. Shade in one out of those 4 pieces. 2/8. Copy the fourth. Just do it. Boom, 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 and boom. 2/8. They're looking equivalent. What are we going to do? Alright, let's look at the last one. Eighths again. Boom. Copy, 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 and copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gasp. They are not equivalent. Even my super sloppy fraction bar can prove that. So B is not the correct answer. The correct answer was A. Nice job if you got it right the first time. And that's enough of that. Alright. Let's take a look at the last problem. This one you're going to do on your own. I am not going to show you how to do it. You know what to do. Which of the following shows only equivalent fractions? Is it A or is it B? Go ahead and draw your fraction bars and solve to the best of your ability. Good luck!